Welcome to Grade 5 Science class. Today, we're going to discuss about the public storm warning signals or the PSWS. Good afternoon, class.
Good afternoon, Teacher Mari.
Today's lesson is about public storm warning signals or the PSWS. In order to determine the strength of a typhoon entering the PAR or the Philippine Area of Responsibilities, the Pag-asa issues the PSWS. Public Storm Warning Signal number 1. The wind speed is 30 to 60 km per hour and is expected within 36 hours. And for the impact of the wind, only very light to no damage at all may be sustained by the exposed community. And for public storm warning signal number 2, the wind speed is 61 to 120 kilometers per hour and is expected in 24 hours. And for the impacts of the wind, few trees may be uprooted, banana plants may be down, large number of nipa or kogon houses may be partially or totally unroofed. And in general, the wind may bring light to moderate damage to the exposed community. For public storm signal number 3, the wind speed is 121 to 170 kilometers per hour and is expected within 18 hours. For the impacts of the wind, large number of trees may be broken or uprooted, and almost all banana plants may be down, and majority of all nipa and kogon houses may be unroofed or destroyed. There may be widespread disruption of electrical power and communication services. And in general, moderate to heavy damage may be experienced particularly in agricultural and industrial sectors. Public storm signal number 4. The wind speed is 171 to 220 kilometers per hour and is expected within 12 hours. For the impacts of the wind, many large trees may be uprooted, plantation may suffer severe damages, and some residential and institutional buildings of mixed construction materials may be severely damaged. And electrical power distribution and communication services may be severely disrupted. So, in general, overall damage to affected communities can be very heavy. Okay, for public storm signal number 5, this is the super typhoon. The wind speed is more than 220 km per hour and is expected in 12 hours. Take a look at the picture. There is a widespread damages to high-risk structures. And the electrical power distribution and communication services are severely disrupted. To sum up with, PSWS number 1 is expected within 36 hours with a wind speed of 30 to 60 km per hour. And the impact of the wind, no damage to very light damage. For signal number 2, within 24 hours and a speed of 161 to 120 km per hour with a light to moderate damage. For signal number 3, expected within 18 hours with a wind speed of 121 to 170 kph and it is moderate to a heavy damage. For signal number 4, It is expected within 12 hours with a wind speed of 171 to 220 km per hour with the wind impact of heavy to very heavy damages. And for signal number 5, within 12 hours and the wind speed is more than 220 km per hour. And the very heavy to widespread damage are the impacts of the wind. And for our science trivia, there are 6 operational Doppler radar from Pag-asa are in Baguio, Subic, Tagaytay, Mactan, Hinatuan, and Tampakan. With the radar network, they can monitor weather system even before it arrives in our area.